Heading out for a test drive in Wichita, Kansas today. 1935 Packard Standard 8 Convertible Sedan. 139-inch wheelbase. Car's been sitting a couple years, part of an estate collection, estate sale. If you're interested in this car, 800-301-3886. Restoration pictures. Very nice, solid original Survivor underbody. Give you a view of the motor when we get back. Putting that convertible top is definitely a two-person, putting it down is a two-person job. Paint's still in really beautiful shape. The car was repainted, I don't know exactly when. Semi-elliptical spring design. Wood door frames are in really nice shape. The wood on the bottom of the car is in very nice shape. Interior was done by a local professional, semi-local anyway. All the windows roll up and down nicely. Speedometer and odometer are both working. AM radio worked at one time. We haven't messed much with it today. .320 cubic inch motor.
Yeah.
L-head design, cast head, cast block, aluminum crankcase. .409 gear. The car drives very quietly. It's a senior car.
Yeah. Full class.
Hydraulic mechanical power brakes for 1935.
Yeah, they're probably vacuum.
Ride adjustment. Vizier oiling system. Chassis lubrication system is still in operation. .12-inch clutch synchromesh transmission. This is a big dollar car in 1935, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It was about $3,600 new.
I'm not sure. It'd probably be up to 3,000. Would be a lot.
Yeah. The car's won many trophies over the year. Back when it was judged, it scored 90 on the judging sheet that I reviewed from a few years back.
That's wild.
Pretty cool old Cadillac, isn't it?
It's no Packard.
It's no Packard, that's for sure. Let's pop out for a minute and open up the hood really quick and show the engine and show the interior one more time, and we'll leave this a short video.
Okay, you want the sunlight to do that?
That'd be great on one side anyway. Sure. That's one of those silly iPhones that you can't hit the pause button on. The faux wood grain is in nice shape. Sill plate steps are all original and they're in good condition. One screw is missing. Bottom of the door corners are very, very nice condition. All the windows roll up and down nicely. I think those are 17-inch tires, 17 by 7 Packard spokes. All the headlight trim is pretty well survived. The grille opens up and adjusts as the temperature comes up. Hood ornaments beautiful, done nicely. Engine was rebuilt somewhere back in the early 2000s. The car has been used on several occasions to show for people at their weddings. Lots of photographs in the owner's garage. Engine up and present. Yeah, that's that Bisher system right there. Yep. Stainless hardware use. Got photos of the motor all apart. Very nice straight car. It's got a few paint anomalies and chips, general wear, a few hairline cracks. But the reflective quality is nice. I'm back about 3, 4, maybe 5 feet. Here's 3, 4, 5, 6. Car looks very nice. 25-gallon fuel tank. There's a boot in the trunk for the convertible top. Bumpers are in pretty nice shape. There's a few spots starting to show where some of the copper is coming through the plating. So they were done as show chrome bumpers long ago. No real rust or decay to speak of. This is mostly mud and dirt that hasn't been cleaned up. Underside of the car is very, very nice. Not a frame off car, but a few hairline scratches here in various locations. A couple chips here over on the running board. This one's been touched up. I'm gonna put the hood down. Thanks. Alright, I'll finish up with a little drive. Go ahead, I'll hop in down the street here. I'll watch you go out. If you're interested in adding this car to your collection, got over 100, 150 still photos inside, outside, underneath the car. Full senior classic. Pretty ready to go. Previously owned by a local cardiologist in the Wichita area. Recently passed away. So the car is available with the rest of his collection. 800-301-3886 if you want some more information. Appreciate you watching, riding along. Hey, can you try the turn signals, please? Turn signals were added. There's our right. Thank you. Brake lights. Thank you. Flip the headlights on, please. Yep, thanks. Turn signals. Yep. Doors open and close really nicely. Got a few hairline cracks here at the base of the windshield pillars on both sides. Glass was all redone. Speedometer and odometer working. Miles are reported to be actual at 27,569. No way, of course, to really verify that, but there are some records on the vehicle. The switch down there operates the, this gauge shows the fuel and the volume of oil. You want to flip that switch? That's operable.
Wow, that's gas.
Temperatures are holding consistent at about 180. Oil pressure's up around 30. We're at pretty low RPMs. That gauge will drop down as we get closer to idle. Amp gauge is working. Stock 6-volt wiring and battery still in place. Battery is under the floorboard on the driver's side.
Yeah.
Battery's been replaced with an Optima battery.
Parts are pretty good for mechanical.
Yeah, it brakes really nice, doesn't it? Clutch engages nicely, I noticed when I drove it earlier.
Yeah, it's really-
No shudder or anything unusual. All right, finishing up the test drive and pre-purchase inspection on a 1935 Packard Standard 8 Convertible Sedan.
Wanna go inside?
No, right here is fine, thanks. If you'd like it to bless your garage, 800-301-3886. Thanks again.